Welcome back, Agents of Change, to Planet X tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain territories and their functions. Territories are a set number of peaks connected and merged together and are divided into 4 stages. And as you can see in my screen, the first and smallest stage called area, the second one sector, the third one zone, and the fourth one and the biggest one called domain. The shapes are only examples of how they may look, only your imagination will limit you from shaping your own. The chart explains the requirement of peaks connected to reach the next stage of territory level in each tier. And as you can see, legendary tier requires 5 times as many peaks compared to outlier. Both the amount of peaks and rewards will increase with every tier level. And this is worth keeping in mind when you set your strategies. And why are territories important and such a big part of Planet IX? Once developed territories are irrevocable, and as peaks become scarce, the supply decreases. And as in economics, when the supply decreases, in general the demand increases, and increasing your peaks collection is crucial to form larger territories. Oh, and all the territories you own, you can stake and you will be rewarded for doing so. Pax Drop provide randomly generated peaks over the map. Therefore, a great way to enhance and increase your ability to form larger territories is trading in a marketplace. And the higher the stage of territory you stake, the higher rewards you will make. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and as always, I highly recommend you to read our white paper and join our Discord channel. Links to both will be in the bio below. Ciao!